Hello everyone, and welcome back to 50 Plus Luxury Style. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today's video is all about the Chanel holiday gift sets. They have arrived. I wanted to share these with you right away. I am getting through a very, very bad cold. Therefore, I just got home from work early. I need to take some medicine and go to bed, but I wanted to share these with you. So let's get right into this. This is the Chanel 2023 holiday gift sets. I was able to order them from my SA at my local Chanel boutique. So far, they have released 5 gift sets. I purchased 4 out of the 5. And I want to share them with you. They are not live on the Chanel website yet. As soon as they're live, I will let you know. So let's go ahead and unbox these very, very quickly, and excuse the nasally voice. Okay, here we go. This year's packaging, gold, white, and a little bit of maybe dark blue there. I did not receive any ribbons. I did not receive any ornaments. I don't know if my SA had them or not. I didn't even bother asking at this point, but this is what the packaging looks like, and they all have the same packaging. Just to give you an idea, this is one of the pouches from either last year or the year before, and here is another one from one of the previous years. Okay, this year, they do not seem to have a red pouch. Let's start with the first one, and this is the Always Brilliant Lip Gloss Trio set. I have never ordered this one, so I'm excited to have it. And this particular one comes with the beautiful dark blue pouch. It is a very deep navy blue with some gold glitters, Chanel lettering in the front, gold zipper pull. The interior is blue, and it's a kind of like a, I wouldn't say microfiber, but it's got more or less a wipeable interior. And inside are 3 lip glosses. Again, my understanding is they are the same colors as last year. The first color is the 722, which is this one right here. I'm not going to swatch these in the interest of time, but I'm happy to do it on another occasion. This is the next one. This one is 119. And last but not least, we have 712, which is Melted Honey. And this is like a gold lip gloss. And so here are the 3 colors. Lovely. I'm going to make good use of them, and they are very, very nice. This one, I think, for the holidays, and these just for every day. So that is what you get in this pouch. Again, they do come with their regular packaging this year, which has not been the case in prior years. And so here is the lip gloss trio. Next one is a Sight to See, and this one has a Le Volume de Chanel mascara, and it has a eyeliner. I don't really use eyeliner, but I figured I'd give it a try. Again, this one also comes in the beautiful dark blue pouch. And inside, again, you have your 2 products packaged. This is, let's start with this. This is Le Volume de Chanel in the color Noir. And this is actually the mascara that I generally use. I know that they have another one that also brings mascara. I did not pick that one up because it came with a red lipstick, which I am not sure that I really need. And here is the eyeliner that it comes with, also in the color Noir Intense. And let's see if I can open it. And that's what it looks like. So this is, it's hard to close and open, FYI, at least this one was. Anyhow, this is the second one that I picked up and excited to have. Up is Easy Come, Easy Glow. And I was really excited to get this one. This one comes with a Balm Essential, the transparent glow stick, and a Rouge Cocoa Balm. Now, this one comes in the very, very pretty, it's an off-white with gold. If you can see, I think it's a little washed out there. I think here you get a better, kind of a better idea of the color. Gold zipper. However, the zipper on this one is more of a muted gold versus the other one. Let me just show you. Actually, I stand corrected. They are the same color. Okay, that's okay. Moving right along. So it is the beautiful beige and gold, or cream and gold packaging. And I'm so excited. So this one has the Rouge Cocoa Balm in the 914 Natural Charm. And I do not own this particular color. Oh, it comes in the beautiful white packaging. Oh, that is so pretty. And let's look at the color. Oh, it looks very, 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 very wearable color. And that's what that's a swatch. So love, absolutely love this one. And it also comes with the transparent Balm Essential. Let's see. And I love these. I do have a pink one and I do have the lavender one. And so this is just the clear, which, I don't know if you can see it. I put it right here. Kind of just gives you a little bit of a glow. So love, love this. And to give you a quick comparison, this is the one that I just received. This is the lavender one. And this is the pinkish one. So there you go. And I really like these. I actually wear them as lipstick sometimes, not only as a highlighter. So I was excited to pick this one up in the clear. Okay, and so that is what is in this particular, last but not least, On The Go Moisture Set. I'm excited about this one too. It has a product that I have never tried, which is the Hydrating and Fortifying Oil. And it's supposed to be for your cuticles in your hands. It also comes in the very pretty creamy pouch. And let's take a peek. Okay, once again, packaged in their original packaging. Hydrating and Fortifying Oil. Let's try this out. Oh, so it comes in, it's a little plasticky container. Let's see how this works. Has like a little dove foot applicator and, oh, okay. So you just press it and it comes right out. So let me just, oh, there you can get a good idea of my little pumpkin nails. But anyway, here's the oil. Oh, it feels really, really, really good. Oh, I guess I should have done it on my other hand. But it feels really, really good. So I'm happy I got this one because I've never tried this particular product. Happy I got this. And then it comes with a Rouge Cocoa Balm 912 Creamy White. Let's take a look at that. Again, the very, very pretty white packaging, and it is just, again, it's going to be transparent for your lips. So this is going to be hydrating and moisturizing. Okay. So that is it. Those are the 4 that I picked up from the Chanel 2023 Beauty Holiday Collection. There is one more, again, that I did not pick up. I'll try and pop a picture up here. Leave me your comments down below. Which one are you interested in? And I will let you know as soon as they're live on the website. Bye. I forgot to mention, my SA also sent me this. It's like a little gift. Let me just open it up and share it with you. It's like a little makeup pouch. It says Chanel Beauty. And look at the very, very cute CC right there on the zipper pull. And inside, he's got some samples. And that was very nice. So that's that. Thanks.